fueling up for what might be my toughest build yet. This point is beautiful, but it is notorious for snakes, and the first step is clearing the ground before they find me. With no thick timber around, I have to innovate by bundling these river reeds tightly together. I can create pillars strong enough to support the entire weight of the shelter. Hours of hard work gone in a second. In the wild, one minor miscalculation can cost you everything. Now, time to redo it and redo it with more accuracy and perfection. Time to make a bed. Rice straw is incredibly soft and insulating. It is the perfect natural mattress for a rough night. Fishing straight from inside my shelter. The river is literally at my doorstep. You can't get a better view or a more convenient fishing spot than this. Roasting some sweet potatoes right on the hot coals, wrapping them in fresh green leaves, keeps them warm and adds a unique earthy flavor. Absolute perfection.